So if I understand Nanuzi's question correctly, if a person who's used to praying witr and then praying sunnat al-fajr, then fard al-fajr on time, happens to sleep and oversleep and wakes up after sunrise, what should he do? The answer is he should begin with the sunnah of fajr 2 rak'ahs, then the fard of fajr 2 rak'ahs. After that, he has the time until before the adhan of dhuhr, 3, 4, 5 hours maybe. He has the time to pray or to make up his night prayer, his witr. So if he's used to praying 3 rak'ahs, when he makes it up, he adds a rak'ah, he prays 2 rak'ah, then 2 rak'ah. If he used to pray 7 rak'ahs, he adds a rak'ah, so the total is 8. He prays 2, 2, 2, and 2, and so on. This is the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam.